Besides the brooch, I'll teach you how to make 2 more pieces with this fabric. So, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe here and become part of this channel that's pure cuteness. Draw 6 circles of 7 centimeters each. Cutting risk. How will it be? Fold in half. Align it perfectly. Connect the petals. How will it be? Finish everything. Draw a circle with a diameter of 3 centimeters. Glue onto the blanket scrap. Cut around. Make 2 layers. Cut out a 7 centimeter circle. Place the cardboard in the center, leave the knotted ends sticking out and close it, but don't pull too hard so the cardboard doesn't bend. This is how the little doll's head looks. Now let's paint this pretty little face. You can use regular crayons and make a little fabric pouch like this, which is much easier. If you want, comment below and I'll teach you how to do it. Paint, paint, paint. Now let's make the hair. I took a 12 centimeter cardboard base and made 4 turns with 2 strands of yarn. Tie it in the middle. Take some more strands of yarn and tie the ends together. Now apply the glue and attach your little hair. Now let's glue it together before we make the little face. I like to glue it beforehand, because that way it doesn't ruin what we've already done. See how it turned out and correct any small imperfections. Now let's draw the little face. Here it's 4 centimeters. I'm going to mark 2 centimeters here, less than a centimeter to one side and less than a centimeter to the other. Remember that you can make the face however you like, okay? Using your materials, I'll tell you what I'm using, but you can do it however you're used to, okay? So I'm going to make the little eye here. I'll make the little nose in the center. If you want to leave it without a mouth, you can. You can just make a little drop here, see? You can either leave it as a drop, you can leave it without a mouth, or you can make a little mouth here, like this, very small, see? Take the dotting tool and black ink and draw the eyes. Then use the micron pen to draw the eyebrows. After making the face, add pretty embellishments to make your piece even more beautiful. Look how beautiful it turned out! Now, to finish the back of our brooch, we'll need a 7 cm circle, the same one we used before, and we'll make a yo-yo, fabric rosette, and glue it to the back. I'm going to use this little pin here because I don't have another one, but there are specific pins for brooches that you can find online. And it will stay like this. So we have this one we just made that can be a brooch, this one I made into a keychain, and another thing, if you have a tiara or if you can buy one, you can use it and make a pretty little doll tiara. So it's a piece that can be used in many ways, like a keychain, brooch, as a party favor, or to put on a headband. It's a very quick piece to make, all by hand, using cardboard. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, activate notifications and hype the video, I don't know how to say it very well, to help our videos reach more people, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. I made it with a lot of love to teach you. A kiss and may God be with you. And until the next video, a kiss to your hearts.